Top 10 Most Beautiful Women of the Gilded Age and Progressive Era. In this video, we use AI to restore and colorize vintage photos of 10 remarkable women, and then bring them even further to life by turning those photos into motion videos. Watch as their portraits transform with clarity, color, and subtle movement that reveals the beauty and personality hidden for decades. Let's get started. Lily Elsie. Born April 8, 1886, died December 16, 1962, age 76. Lily Elsie was an English actress and singer best known for her starring role in Franz Lehár's hit operetta, The Merry Widow, 1907. One of the era's most photographed and admired beauties, she became a major musical theater star in London, appearing in numerous operettas and musical comedies. Her career later declined due to health issues, and she retired from the stage in 1929. Maude Fealy. Born March 3, 1881, died November 9, 1971, aged 90. Maude Fealy was an American stage and silent film actress known for her beauty, dramatic talent, and long theatrical career. She began acting as a child under the guidance of her mother, actor Margaret Fealy, and became a popular star in early 1900s theater, including Broadway and international tours. Fealy later appeared in numerous silent films, often with the Venhauser Company, and continued acting in small film roles up until 1958. She also taught drama and wrote plays, remaining active in the arts throughout her life. Unnamed Mestiza de Sangley woman. Circa 1875, a striking 19th-century portrait of a Chinese-Filipino woman, photographed by Francisco van Camp. The image beautifully captures the elegance, poise, and cultural heritage of the Mestizo de Sangley community in the Philippines. Ione Bright. Born May 11, 1887, died August 17, 1976, aged 89. Ione Bright was an American stage and silent film actress active on Broadway and in early motion pictures from 1908 to 1937. In 1911, she gained national attention after being named the most beautiful woman in America in a photography contest. She toured nationally in numerous theatrical productions and appeared in several silent films before gradually stepping away from acting. She later worked as a magazine writer and lived a quiet, private life away from the spotlight. Maude Adams. Born November 11, 1872, died July 17, 1953, aged 80. Maude Adams was a celebrated American stage actress, best known for originating the role of Peter Pan on Broadway in 1905. One of the most popular and highest-paid actresses of her era, she was a leading star for producer Charles Frohman and appeared in many J.M. Barrie plays. Adams was admired for her expressive, idealized style and maintained a major theatrical career from the 1880s until 1916, later teaching drama and working in theater research. Minnie G. Brown. Born in 1879 and died in 1936 at the approximate age of 57. Minnie G. Brown was an African-American soprano and music teacher, active in the early 1900s. Raised in Spokane, she toured the U.S. and Canada before settling in New York, where she taught at the music school settlement and was known as the Human Mockingbird for her vocal range. A leading soprano at St. Mark's Methodist Episcopal Church, she was active in Harlem's music scene and often performed with Daisy Tapley. She sang at Harriet Tubman's 1913 memorial and was honored in 1935 for her contributions to classical music. Pauline Chase. Born May 20th, 1885, died March 15th, 1962, aged 76. Pauline Chase was an American-born stage actress best known for her long-running portrayal of Peter Pan in the early 20th century London productions of Peter Pan, or The Boy Who Wouldn't Grow Up. Though she began her career in the United States, she became far more prominent on the British stage and was closely associated with producer Charles Frohman. Chase played Peter Pan for nearly a decade, becoming one of the role's most iconic early interpreters. She retired from acting in 1916 following her marriage to Captain Alexander Victor Drummond. Johanna von Klinkosch. Born August 13, 1849, died January 31, 1925, aged 75. Johanna von Klinkosch was an Austrian stage actress known for her refined dramatic style and long association with Vienna's Burgtheater. A respected figure in the city's theatrical world, she performed for many decades and helped uphold the theater's prestige. In 1890, she married Prince Louis of Liechtenstein. Ethel Barrymore. Born August 15, 1879, died June 18, 1959, aged 79. Ethel Barrymore was an acclaimed American stage and film actress and a key member of the Barrymore acting dynasty. Celebrated as the First Lady of the American theater, she gained fame with roles in plays such as Captain Jinks of the Horse Marines, 1915, and The Corn is Green, 1940. She appeared in many early films and won an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress for None But the Lonely Heart, 1944. Her legacy continues through the Barrymore family, including her great-niece Drew Barrymore, born 1975, a successful actress, producer, and talk show host. Lillian Gish. Born October 14, 1893, died February 27, 1993, aged 99. Lillian Gish was an American actress often called the First Lady of American cinema. She was a pioneering figure of the silent film era, best known for her collaborations with director D.W. Griffith, including The Birth of a Nation, 1915, and Intolerance, 1916. Gish's expressive acting style helped define early screen performance, and her career spanned more than 75 years, extending into sound films, television, and stage work. Thanks for watching. We'll be sharing more vintage photo videos soon, so if you're interested, please subscribe.